Hi everyone, Shreya here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching me. Guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to do my no makeup look. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do this with a very simple tricks, the product that you already have at home. And like you see, I'm also breaking up and this is I'm also gonna show you how to hide the pimples that you have on your face without a lot of makeup. So guys, just before we start, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press on the button right here so make sure not to miss any of my future content. So to prime skin, for me it's really important to use a mattifying primer, especially when I don't use any foundation, so it's actually closing the pores. So I'm gonna use the Tatcha, the liquid canvas right here. You can use any mattifying primer that you want. And I'm just gonna go and apply it just on my T-zone, so I'm making sure that it's actually closing my pores and we prevent all the oiliness. Just gonna go and blend it into my skin. The next thing I'm gonna use is the Hourglass concealer. Right here, this one is shade Oat. This one is the Vanish Airbrush concealer. And I'm just gonna go and apply just a little bit. And I'm also gonna use this concealer to hide my pimples. So I'm just gonna go with the concealer and just put on top of every pimple that I have. And like you see, I have many of them. And with the concealer brush of Kim Kardashian Beauty, I'm just gonna go with the fluffy brush right here and I'm just gonna go and blend everything in. You can also use a beauty blender or any sponge that you want. I just like to go with the brush like that. And instantly my whole face looks much more smooth. Right now what I'm going to do, I'm actually gonna use this bronzer right here, which this one is Fendi Beauty. This one is Bajan Joyar. Go. And I am not taking too much product. I'm just gonna take a very light product, take off all the excess and put it on my cheekbones. Again, we want to keep it natural. We don't want to go all the way. I also had a little bit bronzer on the nose. That makes me look much more tan. It also had a little bit of contour and I'm just gonna go and do it on my forehead too. The next thing that I'm gonna use is this Nessa Myrix lipstick. So this one is the Nessa Myrix lipstick. This one is Vision Flash and the shade right here is Tutu. Now this one is a lipstick, but I really like the texture on my cheeks. It actually exactly like cream lipstick, and like you see, this one is a really pigmented color. You don't have to use that pigmented color. You can use a blush, you can use a lipstick, you can use whatever you want. If you feel like you want a little bit of more warm to your skin tone, so you can actually use a peach color. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go apply 3 dots. 2 on my cheeks and 1 on my nose. I'm gonna tell you why. We're just gonna go and blend everything to my skin and it's gonna give us an illusion of tan, of sun-kissed makeup. It's just gonna make it all very nice and pinky right here. You can use your fingertips or you can use a sponge. I'm just gonna go with my fingertips and blend it all the way. It's basically exactly like a tint when you apply it on your cheeks. So it's actually making an illusion that you look more tan, that you know when you go to the beach and you have this blushing in your face. I love it, but it's actually not really healthy for our skin. So we have to find a solution. And right away, you have a beautiful pink blushing on your cheeks. Make sure that you just not put too much because then you don't want to look like a clown. Just gonna go and blend it on my nose as well. What I really like to do is just to go all the way like that. So it's actually look involved with the cheeks as well. If you want to hide a little bit more, you can. I feel like that's enough for me. It looks really natural. It looks like I didn't do anything. I really like it. I always do it like every day when I'm not wearing that full face glam makeup. I feel like it's not necessary. So I just do this makeup and it's very, very easy. Like you see guys, you can do it with any concealer, any bronzer that you have at home. If you don't feel comfortable with adding bronzer, that's okay. You don't have to. So right here, I just have an eyeshadow left from the last time that I did my makeup. So I'm just gonna go and actually blend it. You can also apply a very nude brown eyeshadow, so that makes you look very natural. So I'm just gonna use this primer right here of Lancome. This one is the Seals Booster, and I'm just gonna go and apply it on my eyelashes. And I'm just gonna go on top of it with the finishers and apply very, very little bit. And after I did my whole face, right now it's time for a little bit lips. So what I'm gonna do, I am just gonna go and define my lips. I'm gonna use the Lancome lip pencil right here. This one is the Liquid Rayon in shade Nude, and I always overline them. I always take my finger and kind of go in and blend it all over. Just gonna go and add a little bit of highlight. I'm not gonna use too much. I'm not even gonna use a blush. I'm gonna use this Bobbi Brown highlighting powder right here. This shade is Afternoon Glow. I'm just gonna go and take my fingertips, wipe just a very nice amount right here. And like you see, I have a very nice amount on my fingertips, and I'm just gonna go and apply it over here. And that gives us a very natural glow. It doesn't look like too glam, very natural. I'm gonna go and do the same thing over here. You can add it on your lips too. And I'm gonna set all these perfect right here. I'm gonna use the Morphe setting spray right here, and I'm just gonna go and spray it all over. Alright, so that was my no makeup look, and like I said, it actually very natural. You can do it in just 5 minutes. It is super quick, super easy. Alrighty, so my dog here, it is very needy dog. Right. Okay guys, so that was my no makeup look. Thank you so much for watching me. So I liked it too, right? Say hello. Say hello. Just before you go, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Ring at the bottom right here, so make sure not to miss any of my future content. And I want to see you next video. Bye bye.